Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of another pair of shoes which are these ones. This is brand Hoka no, this is not Hoka but Hoka Time to Fly. Hoka, and this model is Clifton 8 wide. Hoka Clifton 8 wide, size 10. Let's open them. And let's remove them. Yay! And other one here. Oops. So it looks like this. This is how they come when you get them new. Because this one has inside, and this I already tried on, so this one looks like this. So this model is Clifton, so I wanted to check how we are different from the Hoka Bondi number 7, and that's why I got them. So these ones are color white. Here we have those things that are reflecting light. We have also some other colors incorporated into, like Hoka. This is like purple color, and here also purple. The insole, outsole, this part is like light green. Yeah, we have orange, those orange parts, orange laces, which really look cute. This model has thick, nice and thick tongue all the way inside, which is good. And they also have thick parts here around, especially here at the back of your heel, and they have longer this part, which is easier to put them on and off. And here we have reflective stripes for the night vision, night visibility. And here we have some digits, but I don't know what that means. Let's see how I look in comparison to the Hoka Bondi 7. In comparison, they looks like this in comparison. They are both wide, but this looks a little slimmer and smaller, and even they almost a little bit shorter. But this is 10.5 and this is 10, that's why. So that wouldn't compare, but this one looks narrower. And when it comes to the sole, how to compare it? Maybe from back first. Sole looks like these ones have thicker ones, slightly, and this one has more dented here at the center. And the sides, These ones are thicker a little bit, but slightly. Even this part is thicker. So this might be better, but if you want to have less bulky shoes, I would go with these ones. Because some people say that this makes them better for running. So if you want to have better shoes for running, like, or doing errands faster way, so keep this one or get one. These ones might be more bulky, but who knows? I still have to test them out in real life. They smell nice with glue. I like the new smell of shoes. New. Oh, this part is all the way, like, it's all the way colored, not just outside part. I wonder if it's color of the foam or if they color it with paint. Because if it's paint, it will go away. And if it's foam, then it will stay. So yeah, I would try them on. Here's another one. So before trying on, I have to take the laces out. Unhook them to make them more wide. And take off this thingy. At least I can tell this one nobody had, just me. Okay, that's it for unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching and bye. bye.